Good morning, class. My GICC classes for understanding the self. The Hingoog Christian College for first semester 2025-2026. So my classes for Bachelor in Elementary Education and Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Science. Now, we have no class for this week for elementary today and tomorrow Thursday, and for secondary on Friday and Saturday. Now, please comply all the requirements. The let reviewer, the big activity notebook, the notebook for life. For elementary, tulo ka buok, pero sa high school, upat ka buok including the English. So, naay notebook for life, katong mga quotes, naay mathematics formula notebook in mathematics, formula notebook in science, and formula notebook in English. This is in preparation for your board exam. So, for this big activity notebook, kani siya mga notebook. Oh, by the way, uh, you are not in high school and you are not in elementary. So, base naanad mo nga ang inyong project dito na sa kanang midterm or dito na sa finals, dili, college na ni siya. Ang project daan at the start of the class. On the first week of class, for this semester, mauna ni siya akong project. Make it impressive. Ang let reviewer, licensure examination for teachers reviewer, cover it. Kinahanglan kubiran siya. Dapat maanad na mo daan. Kinahanglan magbasa daan, dapat naanad daan, nanay habit daan of reading so that your comprehension would be sharper and it could sharpen your comprehension kung everyday mag-read, everyday mag-practice. So just like kanang bitong mga basketball player, mga volleyball player, tan-awa na siya sa kanang ilang mga dula. Di ba? Pinakalitra na og pasa sa bula, pinakalitra pud na sila catch, sa volleyball pinakalit og batter. Ngano man nga murag kadali ba kay istanan. That's called muscle memory. So that pag abot nimo sa board exam, diretso na pagbasa nimo, there is no need for you to think twice. There is no need for you to reread. Once you read the phrase or the question or the number, automatic na siya mo register sa imong nauna. Automatic na po na siya naa na ang answer. Dili kay pangitaon na lang nimo ditong choices. Nanang answer sa imo to, ay, tuara ang answer, letter B. Di kay magtagna-tagna pa. For your activity notebooks and katong gagmay nga notebook, it must be impressive and creative. So ang kanang inyong notebook very presentable nga makakompete siya sa Xavier University sa UP. Kinahanglan kamo ang the best sa Hingoog City. And ang creativity apil na pud na dana ang the contents must be relevant. Dili kay wa didto wa dinhi pataka lang og kopya. So it must be coming from you, coming from your experience, and it should be grounded on your dreams and on your it could be on your research. Basta kay gikan gyud sa imo. Walay mag-chat GPT ha. Kay practice ni siya sa imo ha. Balag nagkabaliskad imong in English, basta kay imo na siya. Gets ninyo? So, practice ni siya. Inyo gid ni siya. So, ang mag-teacher, lisod siya. Ang mag-teacher. Pero kung naanad ka, dili na siya lisod. Kung naanad mong sulat-sulat sa high school, pag abot sa college, di na lisod. Kung naalad mo sa college ani nga trabahoon, pag abot dito sa field, dili na mo reklamador. Kaya nga nung magreklamo man, nga easy na kaistanan, na train mi na during our college days. So, paningkamot mo nga you track your time, nga pagsulat nimo dana sa essay for activity number 1, ibutangan nimo diha, pila ka minutes ka nagsulat. It must not be more than 1 hour. Kay pagpuyo na lang, pag undang kung 1 hour ka, focus ragi ka na, paningkamuti ragi nga 30 minutes so that you could budget your time to other subjects. Paningkamuti ra gyud on one activity 1 hour ra gyud na siya ang imong budget allotment nga time. So activity ang Notebook for Life, formula notebook, that is also a preparation for your board exam. Matud pa nila nga failure to prepare is preparing for failure. So para unsa naman tada ni nag-eskwela-eskwela, di ba? Ang atong target, ang atong aim, atong goal is to be a professional teacher. So agwantahon nato ni. Kung naanad mo, it's like a game, it's like a play. You will enjoy it later. Now, for our activity number 1, for the high school, ayon ni sunda ang June 25. So, ang sa high school, dito mo sa June 27. And then, sa second day is June 28 ang reflection. So, indana gyapon sa activity number 3, 27, 28 kay Bernes o Sabado man mo. And so, with activity number 4 and number 5 for the science, number 5 and 6, for the science, you are supposed to be on, dili mo July 2, but July 4. And then, activity 6 is July 5. So, you write your prayer in activity number 1. So, you imagine a prayer for a meeting. And then, prayer before class. For activity number 2, what is your reflection about that prayer? Why do you say so? Kanang, what does it connect to you? Why is it essential to you? Why is it that kind of tenor man ang imong prayer? Unsa may makonect sa imong life? So kanang reflection, kung mutanaw ka sa mirror, di ba na ay you can see yourself. So kanang reflection is how do you connect it to yourself? So depende na lang kung asa siya ma-apply. How do you connect it to yourself as a student? How do you connect it to yourself as a daughter, as a son, as a child? How do you connect it to yourself as a student? How do you connect it to yourself as a human being? How do you connect it to yourself as a Filipino citizen? How do you connect it to yourself as a good member of the society, of your community? How do you reflect it to yourself, connect it to yourself as a good neighbor? So bisan asa na lang dana nga asa nada makonect. Kung dili applicable anang good neighbor na okay ra, ug dili applicable anang good member of the society, okay ra. So ang kanang song, you choose a song, and then kinahanglan nga kanang what is your favorite song? Then your reflection about that song. Why do you choose that song? Why is it meaningful to you? Ana na pod. And then for activity number 5, I send a video on the battle between two wolves. So you write verbatim about the story about the battle between two wolves. And then your reflection. How do you connect it to yourself? How do you connect it to our subject, as in understanding the self? And what is your reflection about yourself? What is the connection of the story to yourself? What are the learnings? What are the good values that you can get, that you can use it to give meaning to your life? So our life must be meaningful. And then your reflection, your prayer, sa tanan atong buhaton kanang mga essay, dili kay dagkuon pagsulat kay aron lang gyud mahurot ang isa ka whole page sa notebook. Dili ha, ganiron gina siya. Dahil minimum ang 1 whole page sa notebook. If 2 pages, okay. 3 pages, okay. And then, front lang. Way apil likod ha. Front page lang kung bakantihan ang likod. Front page lang gid ta magsulat. So, mo ni siya. If you fail to prepare, you are preparing for failure. So, please prepare. I want your gitagaan ta mog time at nang dili ta mag-meet kay I want your works to be impressive. Dili na mo high school, dili na elementary. I am telling you about independent learning, college na biya mo, about self-paced learning. Ay na magulat, oy, kumusta inyong notebook? Oy, kumusta ang kuan? Dili na. You must be a responsible student. Ha? You must be a responsible student. In order for you to be a successful student, a successful person, you must be a responsible student. In order for you to be a successful person, you must be a responsible person. So thank you. I hope that you enjoy your activity. See you next week. Thank you.